Hey guys, it's John from Wildwood Warden, and I'm here to show you a video. We're at the Great Salt Lake in Utah right now, and I want to show you the brine flies. Watch when we walk. Go ahead and see. They're not biting flies at all, so boy, they provide a food source for a lot of the birds around here. There's a butterfly. You can hear them. The only things that live in the water here are brine shrimp. It's pretty amazing, really. And for some reason, we found hundreds of dead birds that have washed up. I see if we find a couple more. We'll walk past a bunch. As this water's receding, it was leaving a lot of birds behind. Oh, there. Lots of them. Yeah.